Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Pisces, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Nine of Fire, Two of Fire, Messenger of Fire. So in your circumstances today, guys, Pisces, you are planning your future and you are moving towards something new. You have ideas and inspiration overwhelming you, and you are trying to implement those ideas into action, maybe in your work or it may be in your relationship. You have confidence, you have cheerfulness, and you want this relationship to work. Maybe you love this person, you love their company, and you want a deep, meaningful connection with this person. And you are seeing yourself making progress, and situation is perfect for you, guys. You feel everything is going well. You have a beautiful understanding with this person, and that is the reason you are planning about your future, maybe with this person you love. So you are expecting some good changes, some positive news or some positive changes in your situation. And maybe you may have a certain intuition. It may be in your work or it may be in this relationship, guys, maybe with this person you love. You have your intuition telling you that there are certain things which for in your vision you may see things going in a positive way. This person is happy with you, and this person is truly really an understanding person. What the words they speak or their behavior may be something good, but in your heart of hearts, in your intuition, you may feel that something is missing, something is not right. So maybe this is the time you need to question yourself. Question yourself the motive. What is your motive in this relationship? And what is this person's motive in this relationship? Try to understand that. Maybe for some of you, it may be just a false alarm, guys. Maybe you are someone who always has a very precautionary thinking. That may be the reason you feel this way with this person. So you don't want to make any mistakes. So you want to proceed with clarity. So when your intuition is telling you something, you are thinking. But for some of you, this person is good. There is nothing wrong with them, nothing negative about this person. They also love you. So it may be just an unfounded fear. But for some of you, your intuition may be right, guys. So you need to be really careful. So if your intuition is telling you something negative, you need to think, give it time. Maybe if you are making some important decisions. So let's see, we picked one card for your relationship. So we have Three of Fire. So again, maybe you will see a clarity or clear changes happening, guys. So whatever will work well for you, whatever brings happiness and harmony to your heart, those changes are coming towards you, Pisces, so you need not worry. So with this person, maybe if your intuition is right, it is simply going to make you happy. You will know that you will never do anything wrong, or you will never go for a wrong choice. So situation may turn into something negative. Maybe this person may leave you or you may leave them, but in your heart of hearts you will know that you have made or you have done the right thing for yourself. So for your career situation, guys, Pisces, we have 4 of air. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe in your work situation, this may not be the right time to make any important decisions. If you are making any, you must hold on, wait, guys. So opportunities are not right. Maybe this may be the time for a break. If you are making some important choices, you need to think with clarity, guys, and circumstances are in such a way that you may be quite confused about the choices you have in front of you in your career situation, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So you're in your relationship, guys, this may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day to day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today, in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation, there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance and to achieve whatever you need to achieve using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.